So what we have here is a 1998 Toyota Camry. It's an LE, and it has a problem in the motor that sounds like piston bearings or a bent rod. We're going to try Lucas Oil Additive and see if it happens to work to fix the problem. I'm going to accelerate it so you can hear it better. So what we have here is some Lucas Oil Additive. I'm going to try adding it to the motor and seeing if it makes any difference at all. Worth a try, I figure. You got nothing to lose on an engine like this. Let's see, we have to take the cap off. Now, this stuff's real thick. It's going to take a while to come out, so we'll come back in a minute. This stuff's real thick. It's almost like putting Jell-O in your engine. Okay, the Lucas Oil Additive has been added. There's absolutely no difference in the engine. It's still making a major rapping noise. It was just had the oil changed with an oil intended for older engines, and it made absolutely no difference. I'm going to get in and accelerate the motor now, and you can hear that it's still the same. That's not to say that Lucas Oil Additive doesn't work on old engines, but it didn't work on this one.